Hey guys, Corey here, and it's National Scrapbook Day, and I am with HipKit today doing a crop challenge type of deal. So my challenge is to scrapbook yourself. So all you have to do is you create any project you want using any supplies you want, but for my challenge to be able to be considered to win my challenge, you have to scrapbook yourself. Just so you know, there's a new challenge over on the Facebook forum every 30 minutes, and we get to choose a $10 gift card winner for every challenge. So there's tons of ways that you can win. And so if you want to do mine, you scrapbook yourself. You have to upload your submission to like this album over in the member forum. The deadline is like midnight on Sunday or whatever, and then the winner will be picked by Wednesday. So I hope you play along. Everybody's open to this. It's so much fun. So definitely come and play with us. So here's my page. I thought this photo was great because like most of my family's in the background anyhow, but it's all their backs, and so I thought it was a great photo to do for scrapbooking myself. The other thing that I did is this page is like about all of the secrets inside of me, like this feelings and stuff that I have or fears or whatever, and they're things that I know about myself, but obviously it's not something that I'm going to go scream from the rooftop. So what I did is I had like these little scraps of paper, and this is all I'm using the March Hip Kit for this, but I had all of these little scraps of paper, which was one of the pattern papers, and I had written down all these little things on there and tore them out, and then I'm putting them all on my background paper, and then this is going to go over it. So it's going to be like hidden journaling, and I did it that way because quite honestly, like I don't want to like just have this in the album and like everybody be able to read it. So like people flip through, like it's going to actually take some effort for someone to pull it out, open that flap up and read it. And I just felt like that was a little, cause it's a little bit personal and stuff like that. So I didn't want it just out there. So that's also, just so you know, the reason why like I kind of went in the beginning from here's this plain white background, and then I skipped to going to doing this flat part because I just, I got to thinking about it. I'm like, okay, I don't even want like the whole world to see all this stuff. So whatever. It's in there, and then it'll all go back behind, but it works out great because of this hidden journaling. You get to make this cool flap, and then it all kind of covers it up. So, like I said, I'm using the March Hip Kits for this. And the only thing else that I used besides that was a little bit of white acrylic paint, and then I used, and it's like a high flow paint because I just wanted it to be very subtle, and then I also used just some standard watercolors like from Target or whatever, but otherwise I'm just using everything straight from the kit. So that was like that runny white acrylic paint, and I just wanted to mute the rainbow just a little bit, and it barely is muted, but whatever. Okay, so start thinking about what you want to scrapbook about yourself. You could do like I did and have something that's like super personal. You could always do like your list of favorite things. You could use it as a time to kind of document like the day that we're going through and how you get through your days right now with the current, world situation, I guess. You could do it that way. You could just skip that altogether because why do we want to talk about COVID anymore? You could talk about the things that make you the most happy. You could do like a day in the life kind of thing, like an Allie Edwards type of deal. Maybe what you're reading or your favorite movies or like your favorite activities, just anything. I mean, think about something about yourself. I mean, like, I think sometimes it's kind of hard to scrapbook about me personally, only because it seems kind of like narcissistic almost in a way. But at the same time, I think that like in an album that's going to be filled with your husband and your kids and your pets, you're part of your own story too. So, and I sit there and I think about it. I'm like, my kids might actually someday go, oh, I didn't know this about mom. Like, how cool is that? Or whatever. And so I do try on occasion to kind of do like a moment in time type of deal. And I think it's really important to do that. So, That's why I thought this challenge would be kind of interesting. Plus, I know as moms, we don't necessarily take a lot of photos of ourselves, or we're always ones that are behind the camera instead of front of the camera. And so I thought this was a great time to actually, make sure you had a photo of yourself as well. Um, my initial thought was that I was gonna try and do my hair one day and at least wear a shirt that was cute and take a picture of myself looking my best. And then I was like, you know what? Why do that? That's not really me. I typically look just like this on a daily basis, kind of like a ragamuffin. So I was like, yeah, we'll just keep it a little bit more real. So, just don't be afraid to do that and, just go with it, to think about all the photos that we have of our kids where we think they're adorable, but they might look back and be like, I can't believe you took that picture of me. I look terrible. Well, I mean, it's the same thing with us. They're probably going to look at it and be like, gosh, mom was so pretty or mom was so fun or whatever when they see that picture. So, anyhow, okay. So I'm getting the last few little things underneath. See, the flap comes up. I taped it on there. And in the kit, there were those label stickers, and they were kind of like vellum-y. So I did put them over a couple of the different things underneath, and then adding a few more stickers here and there. And just kind of wrapping this page up. But, okay, totally back onto this National Scrapbook Day. I hope you guys play along with us. I don't know what everyone else's challenges are going to be, but I'm sure they're going to be fantastic. But when you think about it, every 30 minutes having a new challenge, that means if just a few things if it doesn't seem cool to you, like mine, someone else's is going to seem fantastic. So I hope that you, play along with theirs. So let me see if there's something else I was supposed to tell you guys about this. It's open to everyone every 30 minutes, $10 gift cards, specific albums, deadlines Sunday, winners announced Wednesday. See, there you go. I got everything in there. So I'm just finishing this page up. I've given you all the details. I'm encouraging you to play along. Guys, take a photo of yourself or use one. Just be real. I cannot wait to see what you submit because it's going to be fantastic and we can have a really great conversation about you. So, otherwise, that's it. That's my page. A little bit of a close-up here. Just some of the details and, bonus kudos to anyone who can do hidden journaling too, because I think that's the best way to do it. I could call it a double page spread, something like this. So there you guys go. I'll see you soon. Bye.